Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Daily Dose English. I hope you're having a wonderful, peaceful day. Let me ask you a question. What is the very first thing you do the moment you open your eyes in the morning? Be honest with me. Do you immediately reach for your smartphone? Do you scroll through Instagram, check your emails, or look at the news before you even get out of bed? If your answer is yes, I want you to know something. You are not alone, but you are also setting your brain up for stress, anxiety, and distraction for the rest of the day. Today, we are going to talk about something incredibly powerful, yet so simple. Our morning routine. How you spend your first hour in the morning decides how you spend your entire day. Today, I'm going to share my personal, productive morning routine with you. It is a routine that completely changed my life, and it can change yours too. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's talk. I wake up every single morning at 6 a.m. At this time, the world is very quiet. The birds are just beginning to chirp and the sun is slowly rising. There is a special kind of magic in the early morning air. The first rule of my morning is very strict. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Why? Because when you wake up, your brain is in a very calm, relaxed state. If you immediately look at social media, your brain gets hit with a flood of information, opinions, and notifications. You let the world control your mind before you even say good morning to yourself. Instead of checking my phone, the very first thing I do is drink a large glass of warm water. Your body has been sleeping for 7 or 8 hours, so it is deeply dehydrated. Drinking water wakes up your digestive system and instantly gives you energy. After that, I do what I call the window minute. I walk over to the window, open it, look outside at the trees, and take 3 deep breaths of fresh air. It feels like hitting the refresh button on a computer. It grounds me and reminds me that today is a brand new gift. Once my body is awake, it is time to wake up my mind. I go to the kitchen and prepare a cup of warm green tea or black coffee. The process of making tea is like meditation for me. I listen to the water boiling, I smell the tea leaves, and I stay completely present in the moment. While holding my warm cup, I sit down with a simple notebook and a pen. I do not use a digital app, I use real paper, and I write down 3 simple things. First, one thing I am truly grateful for today. It could be something big or something small, like a good night's sleep. Second, my main goal for the day. We call this the to-do list, but I do not write 10 things. I only write 3 important tasks. If I finish these 3 things, my day is a huge success. This simple habit takes only 5 minutes, but it gives my brain a clear map. When you have a map, you do not feel lost or confused during the day. Next comes the physical energy. I spend 15 minutes doing light stretching, yoga, or a quick walk on my terrace. You don't need to go to a heavy gym for 2 hours to be healthy. Just moving your body, feeling your muscles stretch, and getting your blood flowing changes your mood instantly. Exercise releases happy hormones called endorphins. It is the best natural medicine for a happy mind. And here's my favorite part of the morning for language learners, the morning input. While I'm exercising or while I'm making my breakfast, I listen to a podcast or an audiobook in English, just like you are listening to me right now. Since the morning mind is fresh, it absorbs words, sentences, and pronunciation much faster than a tired evening mind. By doing this, I am feeding my brain with positive, educational thoughts before the busy day begins.
Now, you might be thinking, but my routine is different. I have kids, I have a job, I have to cook. I don't have time for a perfect morning. My dear friends, please understand. A productive morning routine does not have to look like a beautiful video on social media. It does not have to be perfect. If you only have 10 minutes in the morning, that is perfectly fine. The secret is not about how much you do, it is about how you do it. Even if you just spend 5 minutes drinking your tea in silence without your phone, that is a highly productive routine. It teaches your mind to be calm, focused, and in control. So here is my challenge for you tomorrow morning. When you wake up, I want you to try just one thing. Keep your phone away for the first 15 minutes. Drink some water, look out the window, breathe, and start your day with peace. Try it for just 3 days and see how much happier you feel. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your current morning routine? Do you wake up early or do you love sleeping in? Let's talk about it in the comments below. I love reading every single one of your responses. If you enjoyed this talk and want to make English listening a part of your daily habit, please hit the like button and subscribe to Daily Dose English. Thank you so much for spending your morning or your evening with me. Stay happy, stay positive, and keep practicing. Goodbye and take care.